Here's an example of the PDF to LaTeX tool from Underleaf AI. As you can see on the input PDF on the left, we see a lot of text as well as equations throughout the text, and we'd like to see how this performs with Underleaf AI. Let's go ahead and click Convert to LaTeX. After a few seconds, it started generating the text. And here we are. Let's go ahead and preview the text. And let's start from the top to see how it did. So you can see it's captured things like italics, things like underlines, things like the equations and the formatting of these equations. As we scroll down, we could see it's captured this page break, which we can adjust after the fact if we'd like, as well as equations throughout the PDF document. Let's go ahead and scroll down, and we could see these brackets were also captured as is. That is the PDF to LaTeX tool from Underleaf AI. It is underleaf.ai. Go check it out. Thanks.